Tired of the same old iPhone ringtones and itching to groove to your favorite song when someone calls? Sadly, Apple doesn't let you directly snag a song from a music app and make it your ringtone. But don't worry, we've got a workaround. First, you'll need a computer with iTunes installed. Find the song you want to use as your ringtone on your preferred music streaming app. Make sure you know the exact name of the song and the artist. Next, grab the GarageBand app from the App Store. If you don't already have it, it's free. And it's key to this trick. Open GarageBand and swipe to find the audio recorder. Tap on voice. In the audio recorder, disable the metronome and the loop icons. These are at the top. They look like a triangle and a loop. Now, tap the view icon. It looks like a few horizontal lines. This switches you to track view. Next, tap the loop icon again. This opens the Apple Loops library. Search for the song you want to use. Important note, you won't find it directly here. Instead, tap on Files at the top of the Loops menu. Locate the music file you downloaded from a reliable source earlier to your iPhone's Files app. Remember, we can't directly use streaming music files. Drag and drop the song into your GarageBand timeline. Trim your song to your favorite 30 seconds or less. That's the maximum ringtone length. Tap the little downward arrow in the top left corner, then tap My Songs. Long press on your song, then tap the share icon. Choose ringtone, name your ringtone, and tap Export. Finally, tap Use Sound As, then choose Standard Ringtone. And that's it. Your custom ringtone is now ready to rock. You can find it in your iPhone settings under Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone. Enjoy.